Hello guys, welcome to a brand new video on Tutorials Point. In today's video, I'm going to teach you some easy steps on how you can open an account in the Frost Bank. Before we start the video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel for more such useful tutorials. Without further ado, let's move on to the video. First of all, make sure that you're connected to the internet. Once you've made sure that you're connected to the internet, open up a web browser. Now, once the web browser is open up on your screen, type in www.frostbank.com and hit enter. After the home page of the Frost Bank opens up on your screen, on the right hand side of your screen you'll see a open an account button. Go ahead and click on it. After you click on the open an account button, you'll be guided to another page. In this page, you'll have to scroll down and click on one of these options which you desire the most. So for this video, I'm going to click on this option. After you click on one of the options, you'll be guided to another page. In this page, you'll have to fill in some credentials. You'll have to fill in all these credentials and then click on view and accept and then click on continue. After you click on continue, you'll be guided to another page which will help you to open an account in the Frost Bank. I hope this video helped you to open an account in the Frost Bank. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel for more such useful tutorials. Thank you for watching.